We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the Force1 Scoot LED hand-operated drone, a fun and beginner-friendly drone designed for kids and adults alike. If you've tried this product, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Let's dive into what users love and what they find challenging about this unique flying gadget. The Force1 Scoot LED drone immediately catches attention with its vibrant red and blue LED lights, giving it a striking UFO-like appearance when in flight. This hand-operated drone is designed with simplicity in mind, making it an excellent choice for younger users or those new to drones. It's equipped with motion sensor technology that allows it to hover, rotate, and avoid obstacles with ease. Users appreciate how intuitively it responds to hand gestures, creating an interactive and entertaining flying experience. The drone can even perform 360-degree flips when prompted, adding an extra layer of excitement. One of the standout features of the Scoot LED drone is its durable webbed shell design. Made from non-toxic materials, this protective casing ensures safety for both users and their surroundings. Parents particularly value this feature as it minimizes the risk of accidental injuries or damage to furniture and walls. The lightweight build also contributes to its kid-friendly nature, allowing children as young as 4 years old to enjoy flying it without difficulty. Charging the drone is straightforward thanks to the included USB cable. A full charge takes approximately 50 minutes, providing around 7-8 minutes of flight time. While some users find this runtime sufficient for short bursts of fun, others wish it lasted longer. Unfortunately, the battery is not swappable, which means you'll need to pause playtime for recharging once the battery runs out. In terms of performance, the Scoot LED drone delivers a smooth and stable flight experience indoors. Its obstacle avoidance sensors work well in most cases, allowing it to navigate around objects and walls effectively. However, some users have noted that the sensors can be inconsistent at times, leading to occasional crashes or erratic movements. Despite these minor hiccups, many find the drone's ability to self-right and resume hovering after being tossed into the air impressive. The drone's small size, roughly the diameter of a DVD, makes it easy to handle and store. Its compact design also contributes to its portability, making it a great option for taking on trips or visiting friends and family. The bright LED lights add a fun visual element, especially in dimly lit rooms where they create mesmerizing patterns on ceilings and walls. While there's much to love about the Force1 Scoot LED drone, it's not without its drawbacks. One common concern among users is its susceptibility to hair or debris getting tangled in the rotors. This issue can cause the drone to malfunction or stop working altogether until cleaned. Some users have had to perform frequent maintenance by removing hair strands from the rotors using small tools, a task that can be tedious and frustrating. Another point of contention is its durability. Although the webbed shell provides some protection against impacts, certain components like the propellers and stands are prone to damage after repeated crashes or rough handling. A few users reported their drones breaking within days of use, which can be disappointing despite its affordable price point. Safety is another aspect that has received mixed feedback. While the webbed shell does a decent job of shielding fingers from spinning propellers, it's not entirely foolproof. Some adults with larger fingers have managed to slip through the gaps accidentally, resulting in minor cuts or scrapes. Parents are advised to supervise younger children closely during playtime to prevent such incidents. Customer service from Force1 has been widely praised by those who encountered issues with their drones. Many users have shared positive experiences with the company's responsive support team, who often provide troubleshooting tips or replacements for defective units promptly. This level of service has earned Force1 a loyal customer base despite some of the product's shortcomings. Overall, the Force1 Scoot LED hand-operated drone offers a fun and engaging experience for kids and beginners at an affordable price point. Its intuitive controls, vibrant LED lights, and compact design make it a hit at parties or family gatherings where everyone can take turns flying it. However, its short battery life, occasional durability issues, and need for regular maintenance may limit its long-term appeal. If you're looking for an entertaining toy that's easy to use and safe for indoor play, this drone could be a great addition to your collection, especially if you're willing to overlook some of its minor flaws. For parents seeking a gift that will captivate their children without breaking the bank, the Scoot LED drone is certainly worth considering. Remember that your feedback helps others make informed decisions. If you own this product or have tried it before, please share your thoughts in the comments section below. And don't forget, the link to purchase this product is in the description if you'd like to support our channel.